No. Teddy, and then this. If you guys want to know what this is, you're going to learn in a quick minute. Come! Spot. Spot. On the spot. Lay down. And then watch. And then I followed up. Even though it's a few seconds later, I will follow it up with a reward. So, I'll just do it in a minute. But here's the thing. Come! Come on! Sit. Spot. Come here. Come! Good boy. Sit. Come. Come. Come here. Alright, I know what I'm going to do. So here's a little bit of the treat. It's a crumb. But at least he's getting rewarded. Because he knows I'm not going to do it now, but he knows this click is going to mean he's going to get a treat. Come! Come on! I got more! Come here! Doggy. Come here, come! Yes. Hold on. And I'm going to use that treat to reward him, but as of now, he's going to get a click, and then he's going to get a treat. He's not going to get a... I don't want to do it, but he's not going to get a click, which the black button means I push it, and then he gets rewarded, which, yeah, so, good boy. Spot. Come. Spot. Come. Come on. Watch me. Yes. Sometimes, over time. Yes. Here you go. Yay. Over time, I will fade out the clicker, but like, always with something new. Since, right now, spots, it's not new, but leave it is new. Leave it. Like, it's not new, but when I add motion, it's new. So that's that, which, leave that. Yes, here we go. And Teddy, when I tell him to go to a spot and I waited for him to lay down, he made the connection, oh, when my spot, I had to lay down. Come! Come on! Yes. Now, here's the thing. I wish this thing wasn't on a... See if I can set it up somewhere. And let me see if you guys can see him. Go to it. Come from it. Because it's hard for me to click treats also one-handed. Because I have the camera in my left hand, the clicker in my right hand, on a bracelet, so it's harder to lose that way because it's always like this on you. So, yeah. Come! Come on! Come here! Come! Good boy. Spot! Come! Yes! Even though it took me a few seconds to walk over here and give him the treat, At least he knew click means treat. Come on. Yes. Spots. Come on. That's a good boy. Nice catch. He's really good at catching, but the thing he's not good at, come on, is finding the treat after it lands. So say I click, and then I throw him the treat. That one he found really fast, but other times he won't find him as fast. And come on, come here. Off. Yes. Come on. Sit. Spot. And it gets to the point where he's memorized it. So if I just say, come on, off. If I just say, come here. Ah. He knew what I wanted. That's a good job. He knew what I wanted, but off the spot. Sit. Spot. I can say it verbally. Sorry, I can't speak now. Verbal. Yes. Here you go. No. So I'll click again because that time I didn't follow it up with a reward, but I was going to. Because I wanted him to catch it. I wanted him to catch it. So spot. This one he's gonna have to do twice. 3 times because he cheated on the first one. Sit. Spot. Hey. Spot. So that's the second time. Come on. Come here. And so now he's used to me clicking when he goes to spot. So now he has to make the connection. I'm not going to click just because he wants to spot. I'm going to click when he comes over here. And then I'm going to click to say he's a good boy and then give him the treat. Come on. Alright. I clicked that because he stayed for a long time, even though I wanted him to break his stay. Nah. Take a bite. So now why I held it for him is because I just wanted him to get a taste of it, just so he can get off his spot. Because the click, I'm not going to do it, but the black button, like I've said, when I click, it means treat. Off. 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 Good boy. Spot. Come on. This one, I'm going to click and give him the whole treat. See how good his catching skills are, which I don't want to say that was a bad catch, but it was kind of a bad catch. Sorry there was no upload today, or there's going to be only one upload. I'm sorry about that. I was busy with stuff. So yeah. Come on. Come on. Spot. 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 And here's the thing I hate about having the bracelet. I have to catch it like. I have to catch it like. I have to catch it like that to click, and then follow it up with a reward. Alright, good job. Come here. Sit. Spot. Alright, wait. I went behind the camera, and so... Or it went under the dog bed, one of the two. Alright, there it is. Go ahead. Take it wherever you want to take it to. And now that he's eating that treat, I'm going to grab the last two, because I only have 2 more discs. 1, 2, and this clicker, which I just had to catch, but see that? When I click it, which I'm not going to do. Oh, I stepped in dog slobber. What? Hold on, I'm filming. Come. Whatever. Hold. So basically that was an introduction to clicker training. So for you guys, because I've already known how to clicker train Teddy, or he knows what the clicker means. I just lost one of the clickers, so I had to order some more. So yeah. Come here. Spot. Spot. Nice job. Can we finish out with a catch? Ugh. Stay. What coming?
What kind of pizza do you want? Meat or pepperoni?
Pepperoni.
How many slices?
How big are they?
They're pretty big.
Then one.
Just one?
Yeah. So hope you guys like this clicker training video. If you did, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down below any new video ideas, because I don't want to bore you guys with the, I don't want to be boring with the same training session, Jack, any other videos, Fortnite, whatever it is, whatever the case may be. I want to be creative on this channel and have a variety of content. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and make sure if you see this, comment down below video ideas for me. Goodbye.